Yo, what's up everybody? This is Rob, back with another vlog, and back with a clean shave. And if you knew me, it's not very often that I shave, but it was very often how much I went to the gym. I would go there about 5 days a week, spend like 1 to 2 hours a day doing various compound movements and even some classes. It ended up being very routine and a daily part of life more than anything, and definitely felt a sense of devastation once it was taken away. And if you're like me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But hey, no need to worry, because today I'm going to be showing you actually our soon-to-be 20 to 25 minute full body workout using some of the most effective exercises that you could do at home using your own body weight or some stuff laying around the house. I have been doing these exercises long before the quarantine, like before job interviews, before hot dates, before and now that all these exercises won't be needing any gym equipment, there shouldn't be any excuses. We're just going to be using our body weight, and all these exercises can be scaled to any fitness level. The first set of movements will be geared towards the fundamentals, and if this is your first time exercising, I would definitely stick with that and master that first. Do about 5 sets, should take about 10 minutes in total, and then later move on to the more intermediate set of moves shown here. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. Alright, so starting off, just to get our body moving and our blood flowing, I like to do a warm-up. I call it Rob's full dynamic warm-up, and this will incorporate your body to get primed and ready for what we're about to do. This should take about 2 minutes a set, and I will do it 3 times. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's jump into it with 20 jumping jacks. Yes, simple jumping jacks, right? And when you're first doing these, don't overextend your arms or legs just yet. Just a warm-up. Just want to ease into the motion. Alright, so let's jump into squat position. Position your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly descend down. We're going to do 10 of these. Remember to keep the weight on your heels and your chest up. I like to extend my arms as a counterbalance. And from here, I like to transition into the push-up position and do 10 of these. Keep your arms or your hands about shoulder length apart. The push-up is the foundation of all pushing motions. Great compound movement. And if these are kind of difficult for you, feel free to go on your knees. Alright, awesome. I suggest doing 3 sets total with no rest. Moving forward, let's rest for about 30 seconds, then move on to the intermediate session. Alright, great. So first off, we're going to start off with the lower body. This should take about 2 minutes in total. We're going to start off with alternating lunges. We'll do 20 of these. Alternate each leg. This is really good for the hamstrings and the quads and the glutes, even some core. Keep your chest up. So from here, we're going to transition into Supermans. We're going to be doing 20 of these. This is great for your lower back and improved posture. Your first set should look like your last rep. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Okay, awesome. So from there, we're gonna be targeting the upper body now. So let's jump in this push-up position. But instead, let's bring our hands to create a diamond. And we will be doing 10 of these. This will incorporate the triceps, the shoulders, the chest, the back, even the core. Good. All right, great. So if you're still with me, we will be doing some dips now. We're gonna be needing an elevated surface, or a table will do. So we'll place our hands waist width apart. We'll keep our back as close as possible to the edge. And let's do 10 of these. Make sure you dip down. Control your weight going down, and explode back up. Remember, your first rep should look like your last rep. Alright, good work. So without rest, let's hit up some of these core groups. Alright, so let's lay down on this floor. We're doing 30 abdominal crunches. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Your first rep should look like your last rep. All right, awesome. Good work. So from here, we're gonna do 30 mountain climbers. Let's go into this plank position. And you're gonna bring your left knee to your right elbow, and then your right knee to your left elbow. We're gonna do 15 on each side. We're gonna do 30 of these. Remember to regulate your breathing. The better you can regulate your breathing, the longer you can last. This is good for the core. This is good for your obliques. The better you regulate your breathing, the longer you can last. Alright, excellent. So that was round one. So of course, there will be 3 in total. So rest for 60 seconds and do it 2 more times. And once that's completed, I'd like to end the routine with 10 burpees to really seal the deal of the workout. And this should take about 1 minute too. Alright, so basically, a burpee is just a push-up and a plyometric jump. If your hair ain't messed up by now, it should be after this. These ain't gonna work. Alright, so there you have it. A workout that you could do absolutely anywhere with no equipment, or in this case, because the gyms are currently closed due to the outbreak. Don't be discouraged if you found the movements kind of difficult. Just remember to stick with the fundamentals, then eventually they'll become a lot smoother. Conversely, if you're able to do this workout with relative ease, increase the reps by intervals of 5 and be on the lookout for working out at home at an advanced level. Thank you very much, guys. I'm really thirsty. I'm hungry. Make sure to get some nutrients in those bodies. See you guys next time.